Can you see it from there? Yes. I had to confess I was expecting something a little bit bigger than that, but even the box is so small. You see it? Yes. The new Sony ZV-1. This is an unboxing video, not a review. The review is gonna come on next few days. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the bell so you can get notified when that video comes out. Let's unbox. This is a little bit small. I was expecting something a little bit bigger, but to be honest, when I opened the brown box, I was surprised that it's this small. So let me be sure that you can see what is inside the box. So okay, reference guide, setup, user manual. This is the deck cat, the audio, the microphone, to cover the microphone when it's windy outside. Here it is. Everybody was expecting this. You see? If the box is small, this feel, look at this, look at my hand and look at the camera. It feels small, it feels good, it feels strong. USB cable, not a USB-C. Come on, Sony. 2020. To be honest, this was the weaker points of this camera, so I was thinking about it, buy or not this camera, just because of this. Micro USB. Everything these days is USB-C, so why Sony put up micro USB on a new camera in 2020? I don't know. And of course, the battery. We're gonna test the battery later on the review. They are claiming that this can give you around an hour continuous 4K recording, so we're gonna test that on our review. But this is a MPBX1 battery. It's the same battery that is RX series, and yes, you can use the same. Okay, this made me cry. This, I don't know why, still thinking about it. Okay, this, you have a dedicated video button, so you have to press there and you can start recording. It's made for bloggers, so well, at least that is what the Sony claims. So that's why the record button and on the top is bigger. This, where the zoom is for pictures, so there are different locations, and that is because this camera is supposed to be more for video than pictures. So you can take pictures with it. This is a picture camera, is a video camera, so we're gonna test that later too. We're gonna take pictures with this. The reason why we bought this camera is because of that, because we want something compact, something that we can put in our pockets and be able to record good quality video and pictures at the same time. So that's why we need something like this. You can do that with your cell phone, okay, but it's a cell phone. So this has a 1-inch lens, so pictures and video obviously it's going to be better with this camera than your cell phone. That's why we bought this camera, and because it has something that made your background blurry, and not because it has a software that do it for you or for the camera. No, this do it because the camera does that for you, not the software. And it had something, the main reason why we bought this camera is because of a feature that they call showcase, or product showcase. What is that? That everything, when you are recording with this camera, you can show the camera something and put it in front of the lens, and instantly it's gonna focus on that product that you are showing in front of the lens, and it's going to blur everything in the back of that product. It's very fast. That's what I see in the videos on other YouTubers and even the Sony presentation. We're gonna test that on our review. That's our main reason why, because we do things like this with unboxed products. We're gonna show you the product. We need to show you what is inside the box, and when we put that product close to the lens, we want you to, and the camera, focus on that product. So it's the main reason why we bought this. We have another channel, travel channel, and we are planning to use this on that channel also, and let's see how it works for that channel. But mainly we bought this because of the product showcase, and that's the main reason. USB-C, come on Sony, that was something that made me think about this good or not to buy this camera or not. You cannot change the lens, so this is what you have. Learn to live with it. I don't know, that's something that make people think about buy this or not. This is a compact camera, it's not a full frame. I was thinking about buying the Canon M50 and this. Why I choose this and not the Canon M50? Because it's 4K. And okay, maybe you are not watching this video in 4K, even if I upload this video in 4K, but we're in 2020 and it's something that it should be the normal in these days. So why buy a camera that only records a video in 1080p when I can have something like this? It's a little bit, the price is a little bit higher than the M50, but with the M50, if you want to have a good camera or good quality out of the M50, even you need to change the lens and spend more money with that. You can use it for more things than this, but the stabilization, they call it steady shot, is amazing on this camera. The product showcase, the audio, they improved the audio a lot with that. I don't know if maybe if you are walking on the street and you need to vlog really quick, maybe you can use a built-in microphone. But if I can, I can use a external microphone. Why? Because another good thing that this camera has is a 3.5mm audio jack. That is the most these days. It's not about only the quality of the video, it's the audio. I believe it's my opinion is 50-50. You can have a good quality video, but if you have a crappy audio, you don't have a good video. So that's an important part. Okay, this is something that makes me cry, but is there. And something good about it, even if it's not USB-C, is that you can charge your camera directly from any USB cable, micro USB cable. You should have a bricks, USB bricks and power bricks and around your house, so that's a good thing. And you can record continuously using the cable directly, so you can record limitless with that feature, even with a power bank if you're not at home. So that's a good part. And I believe there's a micro HDMI. So with the micro HDMI you can do a lot of things. You can use external monitors, and you can show pictures and videos on the TV if you want to do that, so you have the option. And yeah, the Hotkey with this is a very good part. The problem that the RX100 has is that the screen was on the top and the Hotkey too. So if you want to monitor what you are doing with this camera, not with this one, with the RX series, and you have a microphone or a light on the Hotkey, you're not going to be able to watch what you're doing or monitor what you're doing. So this is the main part of this camera, what makes this camera different than the RX series. You use the same brain, and that's the good part. RX series costs more than $1,000, so this is under that range, so that's a good part. And you can use microphones or adapters, so you can have a microphone and lights at the same time, and you're never going to obstruct the vision from your screen. So that's a main feature of this camera. Let's see what else we can say about it. You have dedicated buttons, as I say, one to blur or not the background when you are recording the video and taking pictures. And for the product showcase, you have this dedicated button that you share, or the camera share, with delete. Yeah, that's a delete button in case you want to delete a file. But if you're using or recording a video or taking a picture, you can use that to use the product showcase. Here, battery and the SD card slot. For me, it's like it is too close. It's not even on the middle of the camera. It's a little bit. Let me see to the side. And if you had test that, and need to test that on the review. But I believe if you put a tripod there or monopod, you're gonna be able to open the battery door to change the battery, or the SD card. Well, you're not gonna change the SD card if you're using the camera, but the battery, maybe your SD card is full and you need to change it, or the battery is dead, so you need to change it. In case you have this on a tripod, you need to take out the tripod and then open the door. That's something that you have to live with it, so just be aware of that. Dead cat audio. They claim the audio is good. I've seen videos on YouTube and it's very clear, and this works fantastic with the internal audio. We're gonna test that on our review, of course, but it's a great camera. It has things like everything. It has a micro USB. Maybe, well, we had to learn how to live with that at least until the next generation, and maybe it's gonna have the USB-C. And besides that, well, this is what's going to be unboxing, and was talking about the features and all that, but I love this. So by the way, if you like my t-shirt, if you like it, leave me a comment. And if you want to know something about this camera, or you want me to test something on the review video, let me know in the comments, and let me know what you want to see in that video, what you want me to test on that video. And be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you can get notified when that video comes out. And if you like the video, give me one of these, and see you on the next one. Bye.